Hello friends, welcome in the day 4. In day 4 we are going to learn types of operator. In types of operator we will cover the arithmetic operators, comparison operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, identity operators. And then we will cover the Python operators precedence, and then Python decision makings, a statement and descriptions, single statements and sorts. And then we will cover the loops also, Python loops, and how many types of the loops, and loop controller statements also we are going to cover. So let's get started. Basically here Python basics operators. In this section we are going to learn the how many types of the operators, and what is basically the operators. Operators are the constructs which can manipulate the value of operands. Basically what is operator means, see here one operator is there, means if two operands are there, then means operators are going to construct or manipulate the value of operands, means whatever the value of the operands, those are going to means manipulate by the help of the operators. Consider the expression 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Here 4 and 5 are called operands. 4 and 5 are operands, and plus is the operator. Cause of plus only it is going to add both and giving the result as the 9. So operator is basically used for manipulate the value of the operands. Okay. Then how many types of the operators? Python language supports the following types of the operators: arithmetic operators, comparison or relational operators, assignment operators, logical operators, bitwise operators, membership operators, and identity operators. So we will cover one by one. Firstly we will going to cover the arithmetic operators, then comparison operators, then assignment, then logical, and one by one we will going to cover. Okay. So here is the first arithmetic operators. In arithmetic operators means example like 10 and 20 are two variables are there. Then if you want to add, then you can use the addition. If you want to subtract, multiply, divide, then these are known as the arithmetic operators. Basically addition is adds the value of the either side of the operators, means basically a plus b. Then means if a value is 10 and 20, then 30. Okay. Similarly here if a value is 10 and minus 20, then minus 10, then that is a subtraction. Similarly multiplication, division, and modulus. Modulus is giving the divides the left hand operand by the right hand operand and returns the remainder. Whatever the remainder is returning, that is going to give us the result. Like see here 10 modulus 20, then 10 to the 20, the remainder is 0, then it is giving the 0 as the modulus. Okay. Then exponent performs the exponential power calculation on the operators. See a is to, it means 10 to power 20, then 10 to the power 20 it means. Okay. Similarly these are the arithmetic operation, means open the IDE and you can see here all the example for these operators. Okay. Like a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20. Okay. And if we will take as c is equal to 0, like, okay, then c is equal to a plus b. Okay. What we are doing here, we are adding the two number, addition of two number. Okay. Similarly c is equal to a minus b. Here subtracting the two number. Okay. And when we will run the a plus b and a minus b, it will give the result. Similarly we can do all the multiplication and division and the modulus operator all the arithmetic operation you can do like this, similarly like this. Okay, we have to print also, we didn't print it yet. Print C and then print C here once again, and then we are going to run this program. See, we got the a plus b, 10 plus 20 is equal to 30, and 10 minus 20 is equal to minus 10. Okay, so you can do like this all the arithmetic operation. Let's move to the next section. Python comparison operator. Basically, what is the comparison operator? And these operators compares the value on either side of them and decide the relation among them. They are also called relational operators. Basically, what it is doing means relational operators. It is comprising from the means left operand and right operand. Okay, like see, these are the operators and these are the left operator, left operand and right operand. Okay, then these operators are basically comparing the operands. Okay, value of the operands. These are the double equal to, means if the value of the two operands are equal, then the condition become true. Like see, if a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 20, then 10 is equal to 20, not true, right? Then it is giving the not true as the answer. Similarly, not equal to, if value of the two operands are not equal, then the condition become true. Like see, 10 not equal to 20, right? 10 is not equal to 20, then it is giving the true. It is similar to the not equal to operator. If value of the two operands are not equal, then condition become true. Like see, if a and we are using that operator and b and 10 is not equal to 20, then it is true. Okay, similarly this one is greater than, this one is less than, like this you can use. If the value of the left operand is greater than the value of the right operand, then condition become true. If 10 is greater than 20, then it is not true basically. Okay, if the similarly less than operator, if 10 is less than b, means b is equal to 20, then 10 is less than 20, then true. Okay, similarly here, greater than equal to symbol, if the value of the left operand is greater than or equal to value of the right operand, then the condition become true. Like say 10 greater than equal to 20, not true, right? Similarly less than equal to, 10 is less than or equal to 20, true. Okay, we can see the example also. Let's move to the Visual Studio Code, and here we will simply use like a is equal to 10, b is equal to 20. Then first we will use double equal to operator. Okay, and then here we will use not equal to operator, not equal to. Okay, and then we are going to run this program. See, we got the false for the first. A means 10 is not equal to 20, and we can remove this thing firstly. Okay, for this we got the result false, and for this we got the result, for this we got the result true, because a is not equal to b. We can use the if else also here if you want. Like see, if a is equal to b, then print C, print here something like this. A is not equal to, a is equal to b, then else print. Here we have to write this one here also. Then print a is not equal to b, okay, like this, and then remove these things. And when we will run, then see we got a is not equal to b. Then you can use the if else also, okay. Similarly, you can use all the comparison operator like this with the help of if else, or you can directly use, okay. Let's move to the next operator, Python assignment operators. Python assignment operators basically used for the assigning the value to the variables, okay. Like see, operators equal assign the value from the right side operand to the left side operand. Basically see, a plus b, okay, a plus b is the operand and c is also known as the operand, basically variable also you can say, okay. Then these are the values going to assign into the c, means here assign the value of the a plus b into the c, okay. Add and, okay, it adds right operand to the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. See here, we can write like this, c is equal to c plus a. We can write in the shorts, we can write like the c plus equal to a, okay. Both are same, c is equal to c plus a or c plus equal to a, both are same. And here also minus equal to means subtracts, and it subtracts the right operand from the left operand and assign the result to the left operand. Basically c is equal to c minus a, then we can write as like this also, c minus equal to a, okay. Similarly for the multiplication, and c is equal to c into a, then we can write as the c into a equal to a, okay. For the divide also you can write like this, c is equal to c by a, then we can write like this also, c divide by equal to a, okay. For modulus also same, for the exponent also same, okay. Like c is equal to a plus b, then we are assigning the value of a plus b into the c. When we will print the c, print c, then we are getting the value, means it is going to add the a plus b, okay. See once we are getting the 30, means it is adding, means we are assigning the av value to the operand c, okay. Then we will see the next example, add and equal to, like see, c is equal to c plus a, okay, and then print c, then run. We got 10 because a value is 10 and c value is 0. The 0 plus 10 is equal to 10. We can write this one as like this also, c plus equal to a, okay, and we can comment this one. Now we will run. See, we got the same as the output. You can do like this, subtract equal to, for the multiply equal to, okay, if you are multiplying the two values, okay, like this. You can do for the modulus also like this, okay. For the addition, for the subtract, and for the multiplication and divide and modulus and exponent, you can do for the anyone. These are known as the Python assignment operators, okay. Basically these are the short forms, means if you are doing like c is equal to c into a, then you can do the means in the simplified form like c into equal to a. There is no need to write the 2 times c, okay. You can use 1 time also, okay. And then move to the next section, that is Python bitwise operator. Basically what is bitwise operator? Bitwise operator works on the bits and performs the bit by the bit operation. Assume if a is equal to 60 and b is equal to 13, now in the binary format their values will be 00111100, okay, and these respectively. Flowing table list out the bitwise operator supports by the Python language with an example. Each in those we use the above two variables a and b as operands, okay. Like see, if you will convert 60 into the binary, okay, then what is the value of the a? this one, and B this one. Okay, this is the symbol of the AND, this is the OR, and this is the XOR. Okay, and these are the binary ones complement. Okay, then if A and B, then you will get this one. If you will do the A and B, okay, if you will do A or B, then you will get this. Then similarly we are doing the operation in the bitwise operator. We can see the index also. Okay, there are flowing bitwise operators supported by the Python language. This is the sign of the AND, binary AND. Operator copies a bit to the result if it exists in the both operands. Like we see in the example. See here, 0 0 0. Okay, 0 0 0. Okay, 0 1, then 0, because in both it is not available. If 1 0, then 0. 1 1 1, 1 1 1 means in both it is available. Then in AND means basically if the value is available in the both, then only it is going to give the result. Okay, similarly see 1 1 1, 0 0 0, and 1 0 also 0, because 1 is not available here, like this. Okay, similarly in binary OR, it copies a bit if it exists in the either for operand. Means by OR means if 1 is available in any one of these, then it is going to give the result in the OR operator. Okay, like see 0 0, then 0 0 0 0. If 1 is available here and here 0, then also 1, because this is the OR operator. Okay, and 1 0 1, 1 1 1, 1 1 1, 0 0 0, 0 1 1. Okay, then binary XOR, it copies the bit if it is set in the one operand but not both. Then here binary XOR, it copies the bit if it is set in one operand but not in both. Like see example here, if set is there, then it will treat it as 0, and see 0 0 and 0 0, then it will give the 0 0. Okay, and then 1 1 0 0, then it will give the 1 1. Okay, and similarly here 1 1 1 1, and then it will give it both as a 0 0 0 0, and then 0 0 0, and then 1 here, then 1. Okay, like this. Similarly binary one complement, it is unary and has the effect of the flipping bits. Let's move to the next section. There are flowing logical operators supported by the Python language. Assume variable A holds 10 and variable B holds 20. Then logical operator means see and logical. Okay, if both the operands are the true, then condition become true. Like if A is 10 and B is also 10, then it will give the true. And or if any of the two operands are non-zero, then condition become the true. Like see, if A is equal to 10, B is equal to 20, then it will give the true. See, and if both the operands are true, then condition become true. Means see, it is not be 0, it will also not be 0. Then if both having the number, then it will true. Okay, similarly or logical or, if any of the two operands are non-zero, then condition become true. If means any one of these is non-zero, then true. Means both are having the value 10 and 20, then no one is 0, then it is true. Means if one is also 0, then no problem, it will give the value true, because if any of the two operands are non-zero, then condition become true. Similarly not logical, not. Okay, not operator used to reverse the logical state of its operand. Like see, not A and B, then if not A and B means it is giving the 0, then it is false. Then Python membership operator. Python membership operators test for the membership in a sequence such as strings, list or tuple. There are two membership operators as explained below, in and not in. Okay, in operator evaluates to true if it finds a variable in the specified sequence and false otherwise. Like see, x in y, here in result in a 1 if x is the member of the sequence y. X in y here in results gives in a 1 if x is the member of the sequence y. If not, then it will give the 0. Okay. Similarly, not in evaluates to true if does not finds a variable in the specified sequence and the false otherwise x not in y. I can show you example. Okay, and let's move to the Visual Studio Code. Here some list is there. List is equal to like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and then if we are using what in and not in operator. Okay, then here if then here list is there and we are using in and not in operator. Okay, and then see if a in list, then print is available in the list, is available in the list. Okay, else print is not available. Okay, and then run. A is not available basically. Okay, if we will mention a value as the like 4, okay, and then run, see a is available in the list. Like this you can use. If you want to use the not in, then see here you can use not in. Okay, not in. Okay, and then run. See a is not available because you are mentioning here a is not in the list, means a should be not in the list. A is already available, then it is giving a is not in, a is not available. Okay, this one. Okay, like this you can use in and not in. Python identity operators. Identity operators compare the memory location of the two objects. There are two identity operators explained below. Basically what identity operators are doing means it is checking the memory of the operators. Like previously we seen the in and not in, and here is and not, is not. Okay, similarly you can use like this. If two values are there and if both are comparing them, if both are stored in the same memory location, then it will give the true, otherwise it will give the false. Okay, these are the operator precedence. Okay, you can see here if you are going to use the so many operators, then according to this precedence means the value means from the ascending to descending, means highest priority to the lowest priority, means Python is going the highest priority to the exponential, then component, plus, minus, and this one operator. Okay, multiply, division, like this. These are the precedence in Python. See, exponential, then component, unary, plus, and the minus, multiplication, divide, modulo, and the floor division. From top to bottom Python precedence is there, Python operators precedence is there. Okay, if you don't know, that means you can see in the list, or you can Google also whenever you are using the multiple operators at a time. Okay, And if you want to see the which one is using the first by the Python, means for which operator Python is giving the more precedence, then you can see the chart also. Okay, then next move to the Python decision making. Decision making is anticipation of the conditions occurring while the execution of the program and specifying actions taken according to the condition. See, decision structure evaluate multiple expressions which produce true or the false as outcome. Basically means just now we seen the if else case. Here, see, if some decision is there, if A is not in list, then it will give this as the output, else it will give this as the output. These are known as the decision making. See, if some condition is there, if condition is satisfied, then it will give the true. Okay, and then run the following code, like print statement is there, like that. Okay, if condition is false, then it is going to write the move to the else block or give the some output or in the terminate the program. Okay, like this. Decision making statement in Python programming language assumes any non-zero or non-null values as the true. Okay, and if it is either 0 or null, then it is assumed to the false. In basically it is in all programming, like maximum programming language like this. If non-zero is non-null, then it will give the true. If it is a 0 or null, then it will give the false. Okay, Python programming language provides the following types of the decision making statements. See, if a statement we already seen, if else we already seen, nested if else means inside the one if else you can use the another if else. Okay, those are known as the nested if else. If you want, I can show you also, no problem for that. Then A is less than B. Similarly, if you want to write the nested if else, then else if. Okay, and then write a statement like, see, if A is equal to B. Okay, then B, then print here something like print age equal to B, else print okay, and then run it. See, A is less than B, we got the output as the A is less than B, but if we will write B as the 4, okay, and now we will run, then our nested if else will be going to run. See, A is equal to B. Okay, like this you can use the nested if else. Single statement suits. If the suit of an if clause consists if the suit of an if clause consists only of a single line, it may go on the same line as the here is the example of the one line if clause, like see, variable 10. If var is equal to 10, then we can print in the single line also, and then print goodbye. Okay, similarly, when the above code is executed, it produces the following result. Value of the expression is 100. Goodbye. Okay, like this you can use it in the single line, like see, if you don't want these all things. Okay, and if age B is 20, okay, and you can write it in the one line only, then you can run age less than B. Okay, you can write in the one line as the suit. Okay, then let's move to the next. Python loops. In general, statements are executed sequentially. The first statement in a function is executed first, following by the second, and so on. There may be a situation when you need to execute a block of code several number of times. Programming languages provide various control structure that allows for more complicated execution work. Basically, what is Python loops? In Python, loops means you are going to execute one things multiple times, and some condition is there, and based on that condition you can repeat that code. Okay, like see, we will start, if any program is a start from here. Okay, some condition is there. If condition is true, means if condition is false, then it is going to run this program. If condition is true, then it is going to run the conditional code. Okay, and it is going to repeat and repeat until it is false. Okay, whenever it will be true, then it is going to run the condition and then again run, again true, again run. Like this means this loop is going on infinite. Okay, until the condition is false. Then if false, then it is going to move to the next statement. Okay, like this. These are known as the loops. Loops type means basically there are three types of loops: while loops, for loop, nested loops. Okay, Python programming language provides the following types of the loops to handle the looping requirement. Like say, while, repeat a statement or a group of the statement while a given the condition is true. It tests the condition before the executing the loop body. When we are using the while loop, then firstly it is checking the condition and then it is executing the block code. Okay, similarly for loop, execute a sequence of the statement multiple times and the abbreviates the code that manages the loop variable. Okay, nested loops, you can use one loop in the means one or more loop inside the another while loop or for loop, do while loop. Okay, like this. So let's move to the next practical part of these things. Like see, we mention here count is equal to 0 while, and loop is going to start like this. Okay, and then we are writing the some condition here. Like see, count is greater than 9, less than 9. Okay, and then if you want to print something like print welcome to Python. Okay, okay, and then count is equal to count plus 1. Okay, and then here print good one. Okay, basically means see what here it will do. While count is less than equal to 9, then print welcome to the Python, and then here it is going to increase. It will start from 0, then 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and after 9 it will print the good y. Okay, because at that time condition is false, because 9 is less than 9, condition is false, then it will print the good y. Okay, let's run this program. See, we can clear firstly, once again run. See, one time 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, and then 8 times 0 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and then 9 times, because it will start from the 0, and then good y. Okay, like this you can use the while loop. Then we can see the next example. Like see, flag is equal to 1, and then while flag. Okay, and then print flag is true. Okay, like this, and then print good y like this, print good y. See, when you will run this program, then it is going to print the flag is true infinite times, and it will not going to print the good y, because flag is always equal to 1, and whenever flag is equal to 1, it will going to print the flag is true. When we will run this program, then it is going to print flag is true at the infinite time. Let's run this program, and now you can see the output. Okay, see, it is not going to stop. It is going to print until we terminate the terminal. There is no any option, so we have to delete this, kill terminal. Okay, then it will going to kill the terminal. If we will put here as a 0, then if we will run, then it will directly print this one, goodbye. Run. Goodbye. Okay, now understood how you can use the while loop. Let's see here the 4 example. Like, see, some list is there. Okay, list is equal to something is there here. Okay, like Ram, Shiva. Okay, and then anything like Vishnu. Okay, and then if you want to iterate these things, like for index in, and then we can use the range length of the list, and then if you want to print the particular index value, then print list, and then index. Basically we are going to print the list. Okay, and then based on the index, basically, right? And then else print goodbye. Okay, like this, and then run this program. You will get all the list of the whatever is means you will get the all the list values. Like, see, basically what we are doing, we are taking the for loop here, and then we are taking the index in range length of this list. Firstly we are taking what is the length of the list. Okay, and then in that range we are fetching the all the index value. Like, see, here we are fetching the list of index, means we are fetching one by one index value, and then Ram, Shiva and Vishnu. Okay, it is going to print. And then goodbye. Okay, like this you can use for the for loop. Okay, and you can use for the different things also for loop, based on your requirement. Like, if you want some more example, then I can show you. Okay, like this you can use the for loop. If you want more example, then like, see, if you want to print directly, okay, then you can use it directly also for, like, see, x in and then list. Okay, and then simply print x. Okay, like this also you can use. We can use directly also, no problem for this. Like, see, for x in list, and then print x, and then run. you can get the all as output also in the short way. Okay, these all are the means for loop. Okay, and then like see, if you want to use the here some statements are there also in next slide. Like see, break a statement, continue a statement, and pass a statement. Like see, if you want to use the particular statement in the that loops, then like this, print x. Okay, and if x equal to like Siva. Okay, and then break. You don't want to run after that. Okay, break the statement. You don't want to print the Vishnu. Then you can run and see. You can see Ram and Siva only it is going to print because it is breaking the statement. It is not going to print the next. Okay, like this also you can use. Okay, there are three types of basically control statement and description. Break a statement, continue continuous. It is going to continue the like see if you can use here continue. Then what will it will going to print the Vishnu also. Okay, and then pass and then run. Then it will also going to pass the and then it will print the Vishnu. Okay, then see what is the difference. Causes the loop to skip the remainder of its body and immediately retest its condition prior to the reiterating. The pass statement in the Python is used when the statement is required synthetically, but you do not want any command or the code to execute. Okay, means you don't manually you don't want to execute and you can pass directly. Then it is going to use the pass statement. Okay, these are the statements in the loop controller statement. These are the loop controller statement. You can use like this: break a statement, continue and pass. We already seen the example. Pass, continue and break. Okay, like this you can use. Thank you. That's it for the day 4. We will meet in the day 5. Thank you.